Right, mission today: ride bike, get coffee, and take video of bike. Maybe of coffee as well. There's a Starbucks right there, but obviously I want to go for a little ride as well, so I'm going for a Starbucks a little bit further away. I will say these fucking roads are treacherous. I know it looks sunny, but it's 3 degrees and it is damp everywhere where there isn't sun. So like under this bridge and around here, it's just moist. God, this bike sounds good. Hope you're all having a good new year though. I've got a ton of content planned for 2026, lots of goals, you know, follower goals and just where I want to be in life, I guess. I don't know, maybe you do too. But yeah, starting the year off strong. I'm definitely not letting you in, mate, I'm sorry, because I'm gonna filter. And yeah, maybe you got some plans too for 2026 in terms of bike life or content, or I don't know, maybe you want to get your license, all kinds of stuff. My main goals are to double my following. That's what I want. I want some fucking brand deals as well. That shit would be cool. And I want to do at least 2 track days a month when the season starts again. Hopefully this winter's not been too tough on all you bikers out there. It's been a struggle seeing just rain and low temps. But we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel now. Suckers. Oh my god, that's a shit ton of salt. It's not as if I just cleaned all the salt off this fucker. Oh well. But yeah, like I said, coffee. Then I'm gonna go get some content. Problem I'm having with getting content and, you know, like photos, cinematics and, you know, static talking stuff, I'm fucking running out of places to record. You know, I like to switch it up, I like to keep it different, and yeah, I'm just running out of cool places, so I just got to be a little bit more adventurous, a little bit more creative, I think. You know, keep it fresh, don't keep doing all the same stuff over and over. It's not what we want in 2026. I do love doing 20 miles an hour. That's so great. Well, there's still some bikes out today. Nice to see some of the brave ones. When I left, I was like, oh, it's not that cold. Now, my fucking arms are freezing. The tops of them just get absolutely pelted by the wind. Coffee time. Big up Starbucks. Oh, see, look, that looks like the perfect place for a bike, you know what I mean? Have a drink as well. Alright, I'm gonna run in and get a coffee. I'll see you in a minute. filled up with coffee. Fucking cold still. Got my heated gloves on though. Woo! Green to match the green bike. Love it. And yeah, now I'm on my way to a little spot to make some content. Got some photos to take and some, you know, like talking videos. Mate, what fucking lane do you want? You can have that lane or that lane. Yeah? But yeah, not before going for a nice little spin, of course. Did I click that on? Yes, I did. I don't know how I feel about this new DJI thingy clip-in. You know, I do just like the GoPro Magic Fingers mount or whatever it's called. It just feels a whole lot more reliable. Because like, what if, you know, human error, I've forgotten to clip in one of the sides of this mount? Then I've lost 350 quid, you know. Just give a little. Alright, now I just got to spend half an hour going to the top. Half tempted to put my bike in one of the lifts and just get it up there, but I don't think that's allowed. Lovely bit of sunshine up here as well. Hopefully it's gonna warm me up. Let's pop the bike in. Round about here and angle it just like that. It's nice up here. And then there we go. Nice little scenic photo spot. Only annoying thing up here, these green signs. Well annoying. Church is cool. And yeah, so I'm basically just going to get a couple little photos, cinematics up here, then go down for some talking videos, you know, switch it up a bit under there somewhere. And yeah, that'll be it for me today. Lovely day, I will say that. Very bright. I'm hoping ND16 was a good choice for today. Maybe I needed ND32. I don't know. But yeah, look at that view. Wow. What a shithole town though, I will say that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll catch you in the next one.